Be filled out for very simple tasks. This is something that is still a little bit annoying for me, that I still struggle to get a hold of.
The biggest difference between the UK and Turkey, probably mentality in the sense of lifestyle. In the UK, it's very much you go to work, you do a crazy amount of hours, you go home, lock the door, watch TV, done, have dinner, go to bed. Lifestyle here is much more preferable to me. We have sort of 9 months of summer-ish weather, and then just 2 or 3, 4 months of winter, which is perfect. You get 4 seasons still, but that kind of dictates a nicer lifestyle for me.
Have you ever seen weather forecasts in Russia and comparing to Turkey? I mean,
when it comes to opportunities, Istanbul is a pretty great city for that, especially for young people who are maybe interested in building a career or getting some work experience. I think it can be really nice.
Most people that come here say the exact same thing, which is it is nothing like what they imagined. It's nothing like what they pictured, and they leave this country with a much more positive outlook than what they came here with.
Because almost all my friends that have visited here had an amazing time and loved it. And it's other stuff. So that's how I look at things. When I get my information, I ask some people that actually are from there or that went there, and that's the best way to get information because it's almost firsthand. Otherwise, you don't know. There's always an agenda with people trying to say things like it's like this or that. So that's my personal advice: is if someone is interested to go, ask someone that already went, and then if that's one of your friends, and that's pretty much the best way to get information. In 3 words, wow, that's a hard one.
Green, busy, 24 hours.
Melancholic, chaotic, home. I don't know, it sounds a bit cheesy, but yeah, I always feel happy when I come back.
Super crazy place.
Completely misunderstood country.